Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is a super quick and easy butterfly card. It's using the Butterfly Beauty Finlet dies for the butterfly, as well as the Beauty Abounds stamp set for the sentiment. Shall we get started? So I'm bringing in a base of Pool Party, as you can see, and that's just a standard C6 size. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the diamond effect in the background, and I do that with a mask which is in the diamond shape, like so, and my embossing paste. So I'm just going to grab some, like so, hold this down, and because I just want this in the centre top in kind of a nice shape, I'm just going to bring this down and around like so, and if I wanted to check, I'm just going to hold the base like so, and yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to lift that off like so, and I'm just going to put the lid back onto my embossing paste just so it doesn't dry out. And there we have that. So I'm going to move that to one side just so it can dry, and I'm going to crack on with the butterfly. So the butterfly itself is it's 2 steps. So I cut one out in Whisper White, and that's the thicker one. It has more body to it, and then in the thinner one, or the more delicate one, I've cut that out in vellum, and that's just going to sit on top like so. So I'm just going to put a little bit of Tombow on the bottom part of the butterfly like so, and just attach the piece of vellum on top like so, lining it up just so then you know it's going to sit flat. And the reason why I've only done the adhesive there is so you can't see it when we put our sentiment across. Okay, so let's move on to our sentiment now. Put that to one side, and that's just moved ever so slightly. There you go. So putting that to one side, I'm going to bring in a strip of basic black, and that's just 2 centimeters wide, and it will be the 10.5 centimeters long. However, because I didn't want to struggle to get it in the centre or line up the stamp apparatus, I'm just going to quickly freehand stamp it onto this. So I'm taking the sentiment. A friend is somebody who chooses you, ... and I'm going to stamp that down in Versamark ink. So ink that up, and just getting it straight on that black strip like so. And then I'm just going to bring in my white embossing powder and sprinkle that over like so. So all I need to do now is just heat set that. So I'm going to bring in my heat tool, and I'm just going to heat set it. And there you have that stamped. So the reason why I left it longer is, as I said, was just so I can line that up into the centre of the card, and then I can snip off either end. So bringing in the card base, I'm just going to put the butterfly in the centre with a little bit of Tombow again. So it will take a moment to dry and set, and that's just purely because of the background is uneven. So there we go. And then this is just going to sit over the top like so. And to do that, I'm going to use some of the narrow foam strips. And this is where I'm going to line the card up and where I want the sentiment to be. So I want it roughly there. So if I do it here, I know I need a little strip there. So just cut it into 2 smaller pieces. Where did we say we were going to do it? There. Just put a little bit there, like so. Then on the other side, use that as a guide. So from there up. And then lining that up with the centre point, can just place that down like so. And then just to chop off the ends, I'm just going to take my paper snips, and all I'm doing is I'm lining up this part with my scissors and cutting down, and then I'll have a straight edge alongside the card like so. So to finish the card off, obviously we need a little bit of bling, so I'm going to bring these in here, as well as my take a pick tool. So I'm going to do a small one at the top and at the bottom, and then taking a medium sized one, putting it to the left, and then I'm going to do the opposite this size to the right, and then taking a larger one, putting it to the closest to the butterfly, and opposite ends again, like so. And there you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where a full list of the items used are available. And while you're down there, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super quick and easy it is to make such a cute card. I will see you around. Bye.